This is the old, and then this is the new. Obviously that's the after, and on this side that's the before. It's a really big difference.
What's going on, guys? This is Time FK7. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be installing side indicator lights for this 2021 Honda Civic Sport hatch. Now LASFIT was kind enough to send us their lights, and these are LED compared to the halogen bulbs that this car came with from the factory. So not only will these be brighter, but these will be less heat conductive. But with that being said, let's go on with the installation. Let's go. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up the package. So inside of this package, not only do we have one, but two LED side indicator bulbs. And they were even kind enough to provide some stickers. So as you can see, I have three. I'm gonna save one so I can stick on my car. And with this channel almost hitting 1.5K subs, I'll be more than happy to give these away to a lucky subscriber. Yeah, so all you gotta do is comment down below if you guys want these stickers. I have two of them that I'll be giving away. Of course, I'm gonna be using this white one. So I'll be giving away this black and this red one. So again, if you want these stickers, go ahead and comment down below. If we go bigger, I'll do more giveaways. So with that being said, let's go. So right here, this is a before. As you can see, the light bulb from factory is just this round halogen bulb. So we're gonna be replacing it with this LED bulbs. So this is a before of these lights. And as you can see right here on this wall, you can barely see the orange. So our goal when we install these LED lights, this orange light will be brighter. And then this is the back. So we do have this halogen bulb right here, which is not that bright. If you look against this wall, you can barely see it. It's best if you use gloves because it is a very tight space. As you can see, my hand is like kind of scratched up. But once you get in there, it's this bulb right here. I don't know if you can see my finger. So as you can see, this gray one right there, that will be your side indicators. So to remove this light bulb, all you gotta do, it might be warm, especially after a drive. Just pull it out. So just pull it straight out like that. So you're gonna go ahead and grab your new one. So obviously this is the old one. But once you take the light bulb out, like I said earlier, this is the old, and then this is the new. So huge difference in terms of how the bulb looks. As you can see, we have all these LEDs. There are 4 sides with 6 LEDs. So 24 total LEDs on just one side indicator. So with this, just plug it in like that. And that's what it looks like. And yes, this is plug and play, so you don't need any adapters. And then you want to test it out by unlocking your doors.
Oh!
I just blinded myself.
So bright.
So when you're testing these out, wear sunglasses, because once the light actually works and you're looking straight at it, it's gonna temporarily blind you. So this is what it looks like, the LEDs, and it's like super bright. It's like 100 times brighter than the halogen ones. So now that you know that it's working, you can go ahead and take this gray part off, this lighter gray. So go ahead and just detach this, and then you're gonna plug this into your housing. You're gonna twist to the left. So once it's in, once it's locked in, you're gonna go ahead and plug this darker gray into the lighter gray. So go ahead and plug it in. Now that we have the side indicator installed, you're gonna see a huge difference when it comes to not only the looks, but the lighting. So if you look right here, the light bulb looks a lot different than the halogen bulb. So these LEDs really stand out. Obviously that's the after, and on this side that's the before. It's a really big difference lighting wise.
this is the after, looking at the wall. So on the right side is where the new side indicators are. And then on the left side, obviously this is the old one, and you can barely even see the orange light. But yeah, that's after and before.
Yay.
All right guys, so now that we're finished doing the front lights, we're gonna go ahead and do the back indicator lights. So again, these come with halogen bulbs, which aren't that bright. So we're gonna go ahead and install the LASFIT LED indicator lights. Go ahead and open up your trunk. And there are 2 screws that you have to take off. So 1, 2, and then you can just use a regular Phillips screwdriver to take these off. So once you take off the 2 screws, as you can see, you can like move the tail lights, but there's also clips connecting it. So what you're gonna use is a plastic prying tool to make things easier. All right. So now that we have the tail light off, just like in the front, the indicator light is right here. So what you're gonna do is just twist to the left to loosen it. Once you twist to the left, pull it straight out, and you now have your old bulb. So just pull this straight out and then grab your new light, which again are these LEDs right here from LASFIT. Now this is gonna be a lot easier than the front because it doesn't require you to fish around. So this is the old halogen bulb, and then this is the new LED from LASFIT. And it has a logo, by the way. So now that you took off the old light bulb, you're gonna go ahead and plug in the new ones, which are these LEDs. And before you actually install it, you're gonna go ahead and test it out. So again, just look away because it will blind you.
It's not working. Magic.
So that's why it's best to test these out because, again, if you put it inside the housing and it doesn't work because it's backwards, then you would have to go through the whole entire process over again. So go ahead and flip it around and then test it out. There you go. Now that you know that it's working, go ahead and insert it back into your housing. And then you're gonna twist to the right, just like that. And then after that, you're gonna go ahead and put your taillight back on. So as you can see on this this side, we have these two little tabs right here. So you're gonna want to align it right here. Otherwise, if you don't, there's gonna be a good chance of having water enter your housing, and then it could short circuit your whole entire taillight, which you don't want. So go ahead and align it with the 2 holes. And then once it's aligned, you just push in. And then, so it's still not aligned. As you can see right here, you see how we have like this little space right here? That's not good because again, water can then enter the taillight. So you're gonna make sure that it's aligned when you do screw in your screws. All right. All right, so now that it's screwed in, let's do it before and after. So as you can see on this side, we have the new LEDs installed. And then on this side, we have the halogens. And as you can see, there's a huge difference. And if we look to the wall behind you, on the right side, we have the new indicator lights. And then on this side, you can barely see any coming from the right turn signal. Alright guys, so this is the after at night, and as you can see, the lights are super bright. And if we look over here, you can see how far these lights reach. And if you look towards the snow, look how bright they are.
And then of course we have the rear lights.
Alright guys, so that about wraps up this video. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Comment down below what you guys think of this video, because it is a big difference coming from the halogen to the new LED bulbs for the side indicators from LASFIT. And if you're interested in these side indicator bulbs, I will be linking it down by description. And you also receive 10% off using the code CTFK7. So as always, thank you all for watching. This is Chris Time FK7. Make sure to subscribe for more future videos of this car. And also I do tech, gaming, and motorcycle videos. So again, thank you all for watching and peace out.